Previously on iPhonedo. This is not a flamethrower. Is this a flamethrower?
Yeah. Nice. I didn't even hit the trigger. It's definitely not consistent.
Definitely not consistent. Exactly.
At all.
After I poisoned myself for the second time while I was cooking, I knew this was the calling, that I had to be a chef and probably have my own cooking channel.
This is great.
Yeah.
iPhonedo?
Or don't.
Welcome to Cooking with Flamethrowers. Hashtag Team Cook. Get it? Team Cook.
Hello! Today we are gonna be cooking with a little different tools because we picked up our flamethrowers and now it's time to put it to test. We have iJustine here.
Hello. I'm a really great chef. I'm absolutely terrible, so I think this is going to be a great combination.
What can go wrong? I mean, come on.
I mean, do you want to start listing the things that could go wrong? Because I feel like there's a huge list of things that could go wrong.
Would you like to tell them what we're gonna do?
So what we're going to do is we're each going to pick items. So we're each going to take turns and pick our favorite items, and then we're going to cook those said things with the flamethrower on our channels.
Yeah.
So we're each going to be cooking different things.
And of course, every different thing requires different kind of cooking technique.
We've got tools.
That's what makes this challenge a challenge.
All right, so do you want to go first and pick your first item?
May I?
Yes.
All right, I'd like to pick salmon.
Okay. I love grilled cheese, so I'm going to take the grilled cheese.
I like to make some baked potatoes.
I feel like I also really love cheeseburgers, so I'm going to take this burger.
A couple of days ago, it was my birthday.
I didn't know. Happy
Thank you.
birthday.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yay.
Actually, you sent me.
I did. I sent you my birthday.
Yeah.
I know.
I didn't get to blow candles.
Yeah.
I was at home working, editing videos. I feel like it's time to.
Here you go. Look at this little tiny cupcake.
Thank you so much.
And the candles. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We get to celebrate. There's a lot of things here. I kind of think that I need to do the young chicken. I'm missing some things. I forgot a few items. Marshmallows for s'mores. Do you want the s'mores?
I would really like that.
You've gotta. I also like eggs, so I'm gonna make some eggs.
So I think I'm gonna go with this.
Okay.
And it's also right there.
That's true. It is
On
nice
my
and easy.
side.
So I guess I'll do the hot dogs as well.
I want Doritos then.
You want the Doritos?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take the Pop-Tarts.
We have picked our items. Now let's make some bacon. That's the only thing we don't have.
I didn't get bacon.
I covered a couple of songs for this video, and if you figured them out, let me know in the comment section below. So, once I prepared myself salmon, I know you're gonna be shocked, but I got food poisoning.
Oh no.
And since I watched your video on cooking with flamethrower, and it's really amazing.
Thank you.
I'd like to show you what I did, and if there's anything wrong in what I did, I'm gonna replicate it.
Okay.
You can just tell me.
Should we preheat the pan?
There you go.
It's so shocking every time. This is the most inconsistent thing I've ever seen. That's nice.
Beautiful.
Do you want me to throw the meat on for you?
Yes, please.
Okay. Get ready. Get ready.
Yeah.
Oh, it's already getting seared. Oh, sear that up. That is seared salmon. So light it up, light it up, the salmon's on fire.
That is true.
It looks like it's perfectly seared. Let me give it a flip. Oh, look at that. That is nice.
That is delicious.
That's really, this is how you get food poisoning.
But you know what I like to do whenever I get food poisoning? I like to eat baked potatoes.
Baked potatoes.
Yeah.
We could jam them on here.
Yes, we can.
Do you want to do that?
And we should.
We definitely should. Oh.
Now to cook a baked potato, the secret is you gotta set your flamethrower to baked potato.
Is there a baked potato setting?
Of course there's a baked potato settings.
Do you think we should both do this one?
I think we should
Cross the streams?
cross the streams a little bit.
All right.
All right.
What are you doing? Oh my gosh. All right, well. These are going down now.
Oh, beautiful.
That's a lot of heat.
Yeah.
What's the verdict on our potato?
So, as you can see, this is like the dark side of the baked potato, which shows its quality.
This is definitely high quality.
It is. I mean, this is technically baked with $500.
This was baked with $1,000 worth of flamethrower.
Yeah.
Let's cut into this and just take a look. Let's see what's inside here. Well, it's definitely not baked all the way through, but that's all right.
Yeah, but this is my ratatouille approach to this. There's always the good things you can eat, like...
Oh, like a nice little healthy broccolini bundle.
Yeah, it is tasty, beautiful, it's really good for you, but it is even better when it's cooked. That's when it gets its...
The nutrients.
The nutrients. Thank you.
I'd say just jam it in there, maybe like upside down, like with a... Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. You can
I
go
think you
first.
should burn.
Okay.
Burn this.
You don't have to say. You don't have to ask me twice.
It's beautiful.
Oh wow.
Now this is of course a miniature representation of the movie Avatar. There's that tree of communication, whatever that was called, and how it got destroyed. That meaning we may find that meaning in this.
Should we jam some meat next to it?
Like this.
Yeah, that's good. Do you think we should leave the broccoli here?
You know how tech channels sometimes put these little weird grass thingies?
They do. Everybody always puts like a cute little like grass thing on there.
The best way to get the protein out of the meat is using not a flamethrower.
Not a flamethrower.
This is not throwing flames at all.
I'm kind of confused because it's throwing some serious flames.
It is throwing some serious flames in a really unexpected way.
Inconsistent, unexpected. You never know what you're gonna get when you hit that trigger.
So all that joking aside, if you have one of these, or if you see one on eBay for $2,000, be safe. Some people will get hurt. It's mandatory to take a couple of steps back while the person with the flamethrower is risking his or her life.
It shocks me every time.
All right.
It's crazy how fast that's cooking.
Wow.
That's starting to like spit juice, or it's like spitting propane.
Yeah. There are no mistakes while cooking,
No.
just happy accidents with a burnt house.
That looks
In case
really
you're
good.
wondering, this is turned off. And it is still going. I can see all the protein. I think it's time to eat some chips maybe?
Okay.
It's not really traditional to eat chips after meat.
Is it not?
I just made that up.
Okay.
I looked at you, you didn't approve it, so it's probably wrong. I think it's your turn to flame on.
Let's go. Well, that's impressive. That's about the pulping for. Where's that fire extinguisher? Is it close? Do you think the Food Network's going to call us and maybe like want to give us a deal of a new
I think
show?
we're definitely getting a deal after this.
For sure.
I mean, no one
Somewhere.
has seen a cooking show like this.
No.
Ever. I didn't get to celebrate my birthday. I was at home working, and you were kind enough to get me this cupcake and birthday candles.
We're going to put all the candles in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Happy
Amazing. Exactly
15th
my age.
birthday.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I knew.
I think you should light my candles and I should blow them out, right? Because
Love
it's my
it.
birthday.
Love it.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to
me.
you.
Happy birthday to me.
Whoa! Quick light. Okay, well, they're not.
It's happening.
It's happening. So here's the thing. I don't think I gotta turn this off.
Now I make a wish.
Yes, make a wish. Please make a wish and have scissors in your hand.
It's a prank. I did it. It's a prank.
It's a prank, bro.
No.
Come on, prank. It's a prank, bro. Oh, it is actually a prank. Hope you had a good birthday.
For our final act, we have something amazing.
Would you say that this is the final countdown?
Do-do-do-do.
Do-do-do-do.
And that is
S'mores.
s'mores.
We went to the hardware store and boy did we have a time. It's called Fire Water Burn. Flame-friendly ceramic grilling pan? Look at this. Look at this.
Yes. We need that. Close, but no cigar.
I'm getting strong for my Ronin. Flip this over.
And make.
Throwing us off.
Let's go.
Let's go. It's gonna be great. Wowee!
I don't know how to make s'mores.
I do. And they're like my favorite thing ever. We've got our marshmallows prepared. I think you need to do the honors and roast them. Wow. They're gonna be burnt.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's good. Now, what you need to do, oh, it's falling, it's okay, we'll catch it. This looks very good. Okay. Okay, there you go.
That looks delicious.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I thought you were eating that. I was like, you will not be well tomorrow.
Well, dink it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We made s'mores.
Yeah, we did.
It smells okay. It's not like something you should ever eat.
Yeah, it smells like no.
It does. It's disgusting.
Well, thank you very much for watching this episode. Thank you, iJustine.
Thanks for having me. This
being
is
in my
great.
video. Please subscribe to iJustine. I'm gonna put links to her all social media in the description box below. And please tell us what you thought about this episode. This is the first cooking show I've ever did, and I feel like it is amazing. It is the best cooking show you've probably ever seen. And please watch hers as well. I only copied what she did.
Well, it was like a group effort. We did a little challenge, and I think it would be great if they would send us some recipes. Maybe we can make something a little more intense.
Until I see you next time, take really good care of yourselves. And hoşçakalın.
Hoşçakalın?
Hoşçakalın.
Hoşçakalın?
Hoşçakalın.
Kalın? Wait, what?
Yeah. Hoşçakalın.
Hoşçakalın?
Yeah.
That sounds, I did a good job.
You did a good job. That was really good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm sticky. I've got marshmallow all over me. This is just a mess.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys see it, but...
What do I do now?
Yeah.
Do I just move?
I think it's time to move.
I think it's time to move. That's what I did the last time I caught my house on fire.